Hello friends, I'm Chenchu. Welcome to C++ programming in MYR Creations. And this is the very first video tutorial on C++ programming. And in this video tutorial, I will discuss introduction of C++ programming language. And first we will see introduction about C++. Okay, this C++ began as expanded version of C language, which is we can say C++ is a successive language of a C programming language. And C++ was created by John A. Startup in 1979 at Bell Laboratories in New Jersey. And this is new language initially called as C with classes. And this name C with classes has changed into C++ in 1983. Means this C++ with C with classes has changed into C++ in 1983. And now we will see features of C++. And this C++ is regarded as middle-level language, as it comprises a combination of both high-level and low-level language features. Middle-level language is that, and it will be having both features, which is high-level features and low-level features. And next, C++ is object-oriented programming, including the four pillars of object-oriented development, which is encapsulation and data hiding and inheritance and polymorphism. And if you guys are not familiar with these four words, and you guys will get to know in the future videos which I'll make, and you guys can understand easily what is the relation between these four concepts and this object-oriented programming language. And what does it mean? Object-oriented programming means is that we can use to organize our data. I mean, so our structure source code, we use objects over here, but we will use functions in C language to organize the source code. And in C language we cannot create function within a function, but here we can create a function within a function in C++ language. And next is C++ is a block structure programming language. Means, as I said, in C++ we can create a function within a function, but in C language we cannot. That is, what does it mean? And next is, why should we study C++? And for better understanding purpose of OOPS is that object-oriented programming language, and means it is very good to understand the concept of OOPS. Means there are other languages as well, means Java and Python and visuals as well, but in C++ we can understand these concepts easily as compared to other languages, which is Java, Python. Next is C++ is efficient. Means this execution speed of C++ is a little bit similar to C language. Means C will execute very speedily because it is a low level language which is near to the machine level language, but as well as C++ is similar to that C language. So that's why we will say and efficient, and also it supports more features than C language as well. And next is C++ is used in operating systems and device drivers, web servers, and cloud-based applications and search engines, etc. Means if we are performing any means if we are creating any applications, an operating system or device drivers, web servers, and in these platforms widely we will use this C++ language, and it is used to invent other programmings as well. For suppose now we are using Windows operating system, or if I can say if you guys are using Macintosh, and that open means that structure of that operating systems has been written in C++ language. Okay, and it has invented because to decrease the complexity. For suppose we have hundreds of lines in C language, and we can write that same code in C++ language using some methods to decrease the complexity. and this is what this line's last line means. It invented to decrease the complexity in programming languages. And thank you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys like my video, please give a thumbs up and comment below. Thank you. Bye bye now.